Go.
Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we're going to take a look at a house in the Portofino Heights Village area. And this mansion behind me, we're going to do a quick little walkthrough to show you exactly what they're offering to sell. Let's go take a look. So if you are interested in this house, just to let you know that to the left is another lot that's available, so you can expand this property. And we'll come through here in the front. Now they have what's called a outdoor and indoor fish pond, if you like. And we'll come through the front door here. Okay, and as you walk in, to the left is a door that leads to the garage, but here's the indoor fish pond that you can have. And we can come over here to the garage, and you can see it's a two-car garage with gate. And immediately to the left here is a bedroom. Just to give you an idea, come in here and take a peek. So just a span around the room here. And let's go to the next room. Here is a guest bathroom with shower. Okay. Now we'll go directly across, and when you come in through the front door, there's an office space or extra bedroom here with a sliding glass door to go out to the back porch. And in here you can see it's a nice office space or music room. So let's go up into the living room here. So there's a lot of space in the living room, and it faces to the backyard, to the porch area. And if you look above us, you can see that it has extremely high ceilings, and another high ceiling area over there. And the master bedroom is above the dining room here. So you can see that there's nice fixtures for lighting and the dining room table setup with another sliding glass door to go out to the porch area. And then we'll move on into the kitchen. Granite countertops, plenty of space, stove area and ref area. And then you can come through this sliding glass door here to the dirty kitchen area and laundry room area. Now let's head up to the second floor and check out the other bedrooms and the master bedroom. It has a beautiful Tangili wood stairway. So we'll head up the stairway here, let you get an idea of what this looks like with the high ceiling above the stairway. Okay, we'll go across this way first. And as you can see above the stairway, there's another high ceiling with nice light fixtures above the stairway. Now we'll move on over here. You have another sliding glass door to a small outdoor porch. And then you have another bedroom here, which they're using for the kids' playroom, which has a sliding glass door to this porch area across from the master bedroom. So we'll proceed to the master bedroom, but we'll stop over here into this room, which they have set up as an office. And the house has all inverter air cons, as you can see. Nice view. Built-in closets. And then we'll cut across from this bedroom. There is a bathroom with granite countertops and shower. But also, you can access this bathroom through this door here. And then there's a built-in closet here for probably towels and things. And then to the left here we have another bedroom, all wood parquet floors. And it also has built-in closet. Now let's proceed to the master bedroom. He'll give you a down view of the living area. So you can see it's very spacious as far as high ceilings and lots of light coming into the house. So the master bedroom, this is the master bedroom. Nice sized bedroom, lots of light. Then we have a sliding glass door which you can go out onto this balcony here. Now we'll cut through the closet area. As you can see, it has closet area all down the left here, high ceilings, vanity area, more drawers and cabinet space, and then you have the master bathroom, granite countertop and nice tub and shower area, CRs over here. And so let's proceed back out down. We'll do a walk around of the outside of the house. So come out of the master bedroom, you have this nice view down to the living area. Let's go back downstairs. Let's walk out to the patio area here. You can see you have plenty of patio space out here for parties. They've got these stepstones around the side of the house. The property is completely walled. And you can see that it has a back space here. Let's go back into the house. You see they have nice stonework here in the living area. This village is Portofino Heights. They have a pit bull. And over in this area here is the MAID'S area. There's maids here, rooms here. Holds at least 4 maids. And then you have the access to the dirty kitchen. So let's go back out to the front. So like I said, the fish pond area there. I'll cut across the fish pond. So you can see the way they have it set up is the fish pond, you can put your fish in here and you open this trap door here, and inside that area that we saw on the other side, the fish can swim inside the house and outside of the house. And to the side here, the front door. You can see they have landscaping. See in the stepping stones, which you can go to the back. So this is in Portofino Heights Village, Villiers Project, Brittany, high-end. And I hope you enjoyed this tour. You go to philhome.com and you can get information on this house, or you can read the information below in the description of the video, or you can go to Philhome Facebook and see this property and find out all the details and contact the broker, and they'd be happy to come take you and show you this house. I hope you enjoyed the tour from Philhome. Thank you for watching.